Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time, you will learn how to design coffee mug in SolidWorks like this. Okay, just start it. Open, new, click new, and click part and click OK. And in here, in the background, we use a plain white. It's so clear in here. And in here, we use a millimeter unit. Click millimeter, grab and second. We start from front plane. So right click and click sketch. Draw center line like this. And draw line. Draw line again and draw 3-point arc this point to this point like this. Then set the dimension for the center line have a 70 millimeter for example, and this point and click shift, click this center line. This is I set in 65 and this point to the center line have width 50 millimeter like this. Then set the dimension for the arc radius as set in 100 millimeter like this. After that, just click feature and click. Sorry, we can use feature and click revolve boss or revolve base. Just click yes. Axis revolution this center line, blind, and just click OK. It's simple like this. Then we start from front plane again. Right click on front plane and click sketch. Draw center line again. Draw from this point to this and draw a line like this. Set the dimension. This point, click shift or and the center line and set in 62 millimeter. Then set and click line again, draw like this, this, and this. Okay. From here, the height this line to this edge I set in 2 millimeter, and this point, click shift, and here I set in 35. This point with the center line I set in 46 millimeter. Then draw again line this to this point to this center line, click shift. I set Control Z, set the dimension. This point, click shift in here. I set for the width in 50 like this. Distance this line and this line set in 3 millimeter or 2 millimeter like this, 2 millimeter. Then draw 3-point arc again, 3-point arc, and click this point to this point. Then set the dimension for this arc I set in 110 like this. So just click feature and select revolve cut. Uncheck list for thin feature, clear selection, and axis revolution, click the center line. And for select contour, click this sketch and this sketch like this. Just click OK and done. It's so simple like this. We can see from the section view, click section view in here, just click OK. Then we want to apply for fillet in here, just click fillet. For fillet parameter I set in 0.7 millimeter. Click this edge, click this edge, and then below this edge, and this edge. Just click OK. With that we can do click again section view, and we want to see the full part like this. So after that, we want to see again from front view. Right click on front view and click sketch. We want to draw center line again from this point to the top in here, and draw spline. Sorry, draw ellipse from this center line like this. Ensure this point and this point, click make vertical, and set for the width in here. In here set in 5, and for the length, this point and this point I set in 12, and the center to bottom edge I set in 13 like this. Draw again ellipse and draw from this center line. Ensure this point and this point, click on make vertical, set the dimension for width set in 7, and for length in here I set in 17. The center ellipse and the center ellipse sets the distance is 45 millimeter like this. So after that, we just go to feature and select curve and click split line. Selection current sketch. In here click projection, and for face click this face. Click single direction, reverse direction checklist, and just click OK. We just to make sketch like this from split line. Then just click sketch and click in here, click 3D sketch, and select in here cover entities and select intersection curve. For select entities, select right plane and select this face. Just click OK like this. Then you want to make new plane, so click feature, reference geometry, exit sketch first, and go to feature, click reference geometry and click plane. For first plane, select the top plane, offset to the top in here, and for distance I set in 35 because the total height in here is 70, so a half of 70 is 35 millimeter. Just click OK like this. After that, we want to draw again from this plane and click sketch. Draw center line from this point to this, then make ellipse again. Draw from this center line. Ensure this point and this point, click on make horizontal. Then set for center of center line, center of the ellipse from this center of the path I set in 65 millimeter. Then ensure this line and this point and this point, click on make vertical, then set the dimension. For width I set in 3, and for the length I set in 7. After that, just click love boss, go to feature and click, we want to exit sketch first, exit sketch, and we can hide plan 1. Click love boss, and in here from profile, click this edge or the sketch, this sketch, and this sketch like this. We can to set or adjust for this point, draw until this line we want to make before from intersection curve. Then this point draw to this, and this draw to this. Sorry, in here the point set in below like this point and this, and sure we set like this. After that, just click OK and done. We can hide this intersection curve. Just click line and click hide. So set the fillet from this edge and this edge. In here I set in 2 millimeter for radius. Just click OK. We can to change appearances. In here, click appearances, stone and stoneware. In here, just click bone china, for example, like this. Then edge is already a mark coffee mark sketch from or design from SolidWorks. I hope this tutorial help you, especially for beginners. Thank you very much for watching until the end. I apologize if there are any mistake of adding this material. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.